Are you looking to add a new phone number to receive SMS messages on Facebook using your PC? You're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner and click on it to open your profile. Step 3. Now, click on the About section to access your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Contact and Basic Info tab, look for the pen icon next to your phone number. Click on it to edit your phone number settings. Step 5. In the settings, find the option that says Add another mobile phone number, and click on it. Step 6. Enter the country code and phone number of the new phone you want to add. Once done, press Continue to proceed. That's it. You've successfully added a new phone number to receive SMS messages on Facebook via your PC. Stay connected and receive important updates hassle-free. Thanks for watching this tutorial.